Now that you've just finished a Mayan book about an animal, we're going to complete an animal riddle. The first thing you need to do is go to the Haycock Student Links page. Once you're there, scroll down until you see all of the online tools. Today, we're going to use Wixie. Once you click on Wixie, you'll log in and get to your main page. On the main page, you're going to find an assignment called Animal Riddle, 4 pages. It looks just like this. When you click on it and it opens, it'll look like this. It says, "What animal am I?" The instructions are also listed on the right side of the page. The instructions say, create a riddle about an animal. Write and draw on the pages to give clues about what the animal looks like, what it eats, where it lives, and what makes it special. Write and draw the answer on the last page. To begin, you're going to click at the top on the arrow that says Next. On this page, you'll type and draw what the animal looks like. To type, I'm going to double-click where it says Add Text Here. Make sure you're thinking of the animal you just read about when answering. My animal is brown and has a furry tail, so that's what I'm going to type here. Now that I finished typing, I want to add an illustration. I'm going to use the spray paint can and I'm going to choose the color brown to show my animal's color. And I'm just going to make a circle on the screen. If you don't choose to use the paint can, you could also choose to use the paintbrush tool to draw instead. Here's an example. And just in case you make a mistake, the eraser tool is over on the right side as well. You just click the eraser and then erase the pieces that you don't want on your page. On the next page, we are typing and illustrating what the animal eats. I know my animal eats nuts, seeds, and fruit, so I'll type that here. Now, on this slide, instead of adding a drawing with a spray paint can or paintbrush, I'd like to add an image. So you're going to go to the top of the page and click where it says Image. Then you can explore the different categories or type in what you want. I'm going to type in nuts and click on the acorn. Now again, on this page, you could also choose to draw using the spray paint can or the paintbrush. I can also make my picture bigger by clicking on the blue dots on the side. On this page, we are typing and writing about where our animal can be found. My animal can be found in the forest, so I'll type that my animal can be found in the forest. Now, I want to add a picture for the background, and to do that, I'm going to click on the right side where it says Background Picture. When I click that, you can also choose to browse the categories, or if you know what you want, type in at the top. I know that I want to type in forest because that's where my animal lives. Once I find the forest I like, I click on it, and then at the bottom press the blue button that says Add. Now on our 5th page, this is the page where you're writing why your animal is special. It could be why you like the animal or a fun fact about the animal. The last page, on page 6, is where you're writing what your animal is. You could draw or add an image of your animal, whatever you'd like. Now I'd like to show you an example that I've completed. So my example, What Animal Am I by Mrs. Coon. Page 1 says, I am brown and furry and I have a bushy tail. Page 2, I eat nuts, seeds, and fruit. Page 4, I can be found in tall trees in the forest. Page 5, I am special because I'm such a good climber. Do you think you know what my animal is? Let's see. I am a squirrel. If you guessed squirrel, then you were correct. Now have fun making your own animal riddles.